All right, guys, welcome to Rusty Duck Garage. Hey, today we're in Eugene, Oregon, here to look at a 1967 Chevrolet Impala Convertible, triple black with a 396 engine in it. A friend of mine's buying this car, and we're going to take you inside here and take a look at it. You might remember this place. This is where I bought my 1940 Ford Coupe here a while back last summer there. Polaris is looking at this 7 Impala SS convertible. I believe it's an SS. We'll step inside, take it here, and look at it in a minute, and go from there. I bought my 1940 Ford Coupe from Mike Millay here, who Polaris is buying the 67 Impala SS from. Mike is about 86 years old. There we go. Polaris also owns this 1967 Chevrolet Biscayne with a 427 and a 4-speed transmission, and this convertible will be parked alongside of it. You want to tell us a little bit about it? 1967. Did you own the car, Mike? 28 years. Yep.
I'm comfortable with all of it,
Frank?
I think that's a nice car.
Yes, it is.
Very nice. Well, it's a survivor.
Right. Triple black.
Beautiful.
SS.
And the original top.
She is a beauty. 67 all SS 396 convertible, black top, black interior, triple black, and a big block. What's not to like there, guys? Original SS hubcaps.
Act like you know what you're doing. I thought I did.
There we go. 396, 3 1/4 horse. Power brakes, power steering, 4-barrel, quad-jet there. It's a beauty. Got the under hood light there. Turbo 400 transmission. Really nice car. We'll take a look there and see if that the numbers match the motor there a little bit here. Really looks good. Look at here, side. Factory power windows. That is really cool. It's got a console, bucket seats, rear speaker in the back there. Intact VIN number there. Really nice dash. The clock inside. That's a AM/FM radio. You don't see that too often. 1967. Looks like to be the original carpet. It's in very, very nice shape. Can be dyed. The SS shows 27,190. Mike's owned the car for 28 years and kept it stored all these years. Just fantastic shape there. This would be a really nice cruiser. Great for car shows and cruising.
I'm Cousin Paul. I'm the film guy today.
This is why some people don't like you. Why? Because you find shit like this.
We love it.
I hope you got that on film.
Yeah, yeah,
That's why most people
yeah.
been trying to buy it 25 years.
Have you been 25 years? Wow.
Ever since I seen it when he got it.
Yeah, gotta love the triple black.
Yeah, it's
mean-
all. I think it's a real deal. All that.
Yeah, it is. Have you checked the numbers on the motor?
I think I did a while back.
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Ever been out of the car?
Yeah.
I don't think so either.
It sure appears to be all original, though, pretty untouched. Turbo 400,
Yes. Yeah.
12 bolt, I would imagine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're trying to figure out. I've never been around this one.
No. Full tank of gas. Sean and I haven't driven it. Yeah.
But I think nobody's ever put wheels on it. I mean, that's the first thing I'd have done, put wheels on
Yeah.
it way back, you know?
Right.
Nobody's ever changed any of that. So
Yeah.
Super Sport hubcaps.
Right.
Cool red lines on the black.
Yeah, the red line tires would look really cool in
Set
there.
of disc brake wheels.
Bumper guard car, glass rear window.
Yeah, I didn't even see the
No-
bumper
no
guards.
air. Power windows. No air. So that's a cool option.
Yeah.
You know, 60s, 70s had so many plastic rear windows still, you know, it was an optional to have a glass rear window.
Well, we're gonna load it up on the rollback here, Polaris's rollback, and he'll take the car home and go over the car and do a fresh service on it, check out the brakes and all that good stuff. Looks like we'll need to add a little air to the tires. Beautiful, right up on there. Oh, there's no gas cap? Well, we'll take care of that. Gas cap's not on there. It's got that taillight warranty.
You didn't keep that 44 now.
No, I didn't. I didn't.
Well,
I would like
he
to.
still got it.
I still got it. I still have the
Going to
Still
Southern
40, yeah.
California.
Yeah,
Did you cash a check yet?
I did. Unless you want it back, I can probably arrange it. You want it back, Mike? No. Yeah. Yeah, I would love to. It's just having enough storage for everything is the
Run out of
problem.
places to put stuff. I'm the
Yep.
same way. I got some cars sitting outside that shouldn't be out in the weather.
Yeah, I still got that Mustang.
Bullet?
No, I got that Bullet.
Right.
I got that other one in the garage.
Oh, do you still have it too? Right.
Convertible.
Right.
Oh, that's
a good looking car.
67?
66 is 66.
66, yeah.
Still got your 57 Chev 4-door for sale too, don't you? Yeah.
You know, 4-door hardtop more rare than the 2-door. You know,
Yeah.
there's a lot less of them made. I forgot how many they were, but they wasn't
Yeah.
a lot.
What's that color called on the 57?
Evening orchid.
Even orchid?
Evening orchid.
Huh.
We won't have any more grass grow right there, but we'll get on that through the gravel. Yeah, I know me smoking there right now. Yeah.
Right. Even our Ford guy friends were helping out. It's like new, isn't it? Factory sway bar, Paul.
Yeah. Holy
See that
shit.
sway bar on there?
Oh yeah.
Is it clean?
Oh, it's clean. I mean, the floor pans are, you know, oily, but
Yeah. But there's no rust or
No,
crust.
shit, no.
Just clean as could be.
that frame.
Yeah.
That frame is beautiful. Gosh,
Probably an F41 suspension. What the heck?
Ready?
I think we are.
Okay.
All right, Mike, thank you so much. And you can still get that 40 if you act quick.
Give it 25 more.
Oh!
He's got to make the buck. He's got to make. Still got it.
Exactly.
Once a car man, always a car man.
Mike, where's your favorite place to eat at around here?
Prairie Schooner.
Just down the road here?
Yeah.
Do they have good fried chicken out here?
Yeah.
Well, we're going to head to the Prairie Schooner with that 67 Impala.
Okay. See you later.
See you, Mike. Well, Polaris parked the truck out in front of the Prairie Schooner with the 67 Impala SS on the deck of it as a little fishing bait, because he knew that some of the locals in the area would probably want to come in and try and buy it. So here we are at the Prairie Schooner. Mike says this is the place to eat. We're going to try it out here. Frank's holding the door, and away we go inside to the Prairie Schooner.
What's your soup?
It is potato with ham.
Not mine. You want screws? What are you doing? You know, with that convertible. So you're wearing a Heath sweatshirt. You know Randy Ware?
How much?
Randy Ware? Hooked in it for Heath 30.
Okay.
Well, we weren't in the Prairie Schooner more than 10 minutes, and here come a gentleman in wanting to buy the 67 Impala from Polaris. Now, he did know Polaris, but he did spot the car out front, and he come in and tried to buy it. And then we had a special guest show up, Mike. Mike decided to come down and join us at the Prairie Schooner. Now, Mike's getting up the years and it isn't as strong as he used to be, so he's kind of selective in what he's does, but it was sure great to see Mike show up. So here's what the Prairie Schooner is famous for, is that chicken. It's good chicken, isn't it?
Perfect.
What you got there? Reuben?
Reuben.
Yep. And I got the Prairie Schooner breakfast. There.
What do you have there, Frank?
Look at there.
Steak and eggs.
Steak and eggs, nice. And
Come on.
Well, dang, it's raining out here.
It is raining.
Well, Mike was right about the Prairie Schooner. The food is awesome. I had the schooner breakfast, and it was outstanding. How was the chicken, Blair?
Chicken's perfect. That's what I always have.
Who paid for it?
Blair.
Hey!
I'm Cousin Paul. I'm the film guy today.
Well, guys, I hope you liked today's video. In the near future, we're going to try to get down to Coos Bay, Oregon, and check out this 67 Biscayne that belongs to Polaris here, with a 427 and a 4-speed. And if you would, please hit that like, share, and subscribe button. And we'll catch you next time at Rusty Duck Garage. And if you got any comments, please leave the comments. We'd like to hear what you have to say. And if you like this video and what you'd like to see in the future. Thank you very much.